Qinux Epicooler is marketed as a portable cooling device that supposedly lowers temperatures instantly and provides air conditioning-like relief wherever you go. But the real question is, does it even work at all, or is it another cooling gadget with unrealistic claims? Now, to be fair, portable cooling devices can provide some relief. Small fans and evaporative coolers can make you feel cooler by increasing airflow or using water evaporation. What it does well may provide personal cooling. If used close to your body, the airflow can help you feel more comfortable in warm conditions. Portable and lightweight. This is one of its biggest advantages. It can be moved easily between rooms or taken on the go, where the height falls apart. It is not a real air conditioner. This is the biggest issue. Many portable cooling gadgets are marketed as AC replacements when they simply cannot deliver the same cooling power. It will not dramatically lower room temperature. Most units are only capable of creating localized cooling near the device. Performance depends on the environment. Evaporative cooling tends to work better in dry climates than in humid conditions. So, does the Qinux Epicooler actually work? Short answer, yes. It likely provides some personal cooling, but it is unlikely to perform anywhere close to a traditional air conditioner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.